It is center of the city of capital of this province, Bolzano, and in the center, this monument is enforced for the centuries. And in this piazza called Center, I let you see around, all around this piazza is surrounded. The center is surrounded by the hotels and the bar. Another interesting thing is properly in front of this monument, let's see, and this is the church, a centuries old church which is famous around Europe. Actually, Bolzano is a tourist city, and when Bolzano is taken as tourist city, the importance is given this place, properly this place, where this church is located. So as we had started from the greenery side, the park where the most of the parks are there of the city, we had started from there, and we end here with saying that today we have searched, we have traveled together only the center of the city, the main city. We haven't gone out of the city and in the surrounding areas to have a look, to have a little look of this little city. The images which we have seen together is really beautiful. As I have already told that this is a tourist city, so during the rain we have seen that so many people are not there. Only a few people, and those people are actually the residents. They have been seen here. Until next, and definitely we would like to travel this city called Bolzano in detail, just to show that how much beautiful city it is. We will take you together to watch the surroundings of the city. We will take you together to watch the surroundings of the city. A long day rain has stopped. Greenery is shining. Trees, plants looks happy. On my left hand, the people have come out of their homes on the pedestrian track, while on the left I can see the daffodils of the William Wordsworth smiling and dancing happily. Today I will let you see how look likes Bolzano, northern city of Italy, before and after rain. Let's search and travel together Bolzano. I am Wasim Raza for ATV Bolzano, Italy. Until then,